The centuries-old bull taming festival in Nepal's Nuwakot is slowly fading as rising costs and the scarcity of the bulls reduce participation. Despite the decline, villagers continue their efforts to preserve the tradition, which remains a symbol of cultural heritage. Take a look.
The annual Bull Festival in Nepal, which began over 2 centuries ago and once drew hundreds of participants and spectators, is gradually fading in the Himalayan nation as bulls become increasingly rare and expensive, even in villages. Last year, 16 pairs of bulls entered the arena, but this number has dropped to 13 this year as the traditional bullfight begins in mid-January, giving a reflection of the Jallikattu in India and the Spanish bullfight. Bull taming in Nepal's Nuwakot dates back to 1887, when the then Prince of Bajan, Jai Prithvi Bahadur Singh, introduced the sport for entertainment purpose and continues to be a tradition for locals.
लगभग यो गोरु जुदाई बेला चाहिँ अब यो पहिलाको परिपाटीमा किनभने गाउँघरमा एकदम अब बस्ती नै लगभग अब बस्तीमा मान्छे नै कम छन् हैन त्यो चाहिँ पहिले पनि यसलाई घट्दै गएको भन्नु मिल्दैन निरन्तर जति पहिला हामी जुदाउँथ्यौं अब अघिल्लो वर्ष चाहिँ 16-17 हल गोरु थियो यसपालि 13 हल छ सन्चै पोलको भन्दा अलिकति घटेको हो तै पनि यसलाई चाहिँ घटेको त्यस्तो भन्न मिल्दैन जस्तो लाग्छ निरन्तर गोरु पालन रमाइने यहाँ मनोरञ्जन दिनेहरू साथीहरूले कहाँबाट चाहिँ यहाँ गोरु जुदाउनकै लागि भने 2 दिनको लागि भए पनि लाखौं खर्च गरेर गोरु ल्याएर यहाँ मान्छे जनताहरूलाई चाहिँ मनोरञ्जन दिने दर्शकहरूलाई मनोरञ्जन दिने काम चाहिँ गरिरहनु भएको छ.
Bull owners feed their animals a special diet to build stamina and gently tame them for the fight, with preparations beginning during the monsoon around August-September. Training starts in early November and continues at regular intervals. Despite its decline, villagers and bull owners continue efforts to keep the tradition alive.
अहिले पाइदैन हेर्नुस् अहिले त मैले यो कालिरहेको अहिले गोर्ने हरायो लोकल छैन हेर्नुस् जर्सी मात्रै फिल्छु त्यो त्यस्तो टिमर चाहिँ दिन्छ लोकल गाई जम्मै अब पठाए हेर्नुस् जर्सी गोरुहरू अब अहिले गोरुलाई अब 70,000 80,000 1 लाखसम्म परेर ल्याउने हेर्नुस्.
Continued since ages, this annual event not only has preserved traditional culture in the Himalayan nation with vivid cultural diversities, it also has been contributing for tourism development of the area.